Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of the quickest food in Ghana. It is called Angwamo and I'm having that with omelette. So first thing first, I diced the onions into small pieces. I added oil in a pan and I fried the onions for about 5 minutes until I could see it turning a little bit brownish. Then I added the rice that I've washed. I seasoned the rice with salt and I allowed that to cook for about 5 minutes before adding a boiling water to it. At this point, you can add more salt to the rice if you wish. And then I allowed that to cook for about 20 minutes. And whilst that was cooking, I added into the ayowa 3 Scotch bonnet, onion, red pepper, 2 Maggi cubes, and I blended it together. And just before I finished, I added 1 fresh tomatoes to it just to reduce the heat of the chili. I then added into a bowl 4 eggs, 1 Maggi cube, and chopped sweet pepper, onion, and tomatoes, and I whisked it together. And then I added into a pan and oil and fry the egg for about 5 minutes on each side. And here is the end result. Some people have this angwamo with shito, so I have the chili that I made, red and white onions, some shito and tomatoes to go with it. And that is it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, as always, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.